In this video, I'm going to unbox the Hobby M5 heat press and show you how easy it is to assemble it. Once you've unboxed your heat press, just make sure that you have everything. I just want to remind you about this little box. It does have bits and bobs inside of it. So let's just take a look. It will have your cable in it, your spanner to fixate everything, your screws, your extra screws, and then stuff to hold your attachments in place. So in the box you should have the following. You should have your heat press, your component, then you should have a cup press, you should have your cap press, your plate presses with your flat press. You should have your stand for your cup press, your extra screws, your spanner, your cable, and of course your handle to press everything. Inside of your box you'll also have your user manual. Just follow it along. It has all of the steps to assemble it and to show you what to do. Okay, so firstly you will just have to take these nuts off. Then you can just carry on from there. To put on your handle and just screw them back on to keep it in place. You do get a spanner just to fixate it nicely. So once the handle is on, you are ready to go on to your flat press and fixate that on as well. So firstly you're going to take your bottom piece, going to slide it into there. You don't have to screw it on or anything. It does have a piece that goes in. Afterwards you're going to take your top piece. Make sure this piece is at the back so it's easier to plug in. You can adjust it on top of here. It's your pressure knob to go down or up, just to make it a bit easier to fixate it on. Then you're going to take your screws, put them in place. Okay, so now we have fixated this onto your heat press. You can start swinging it around and then you can plug it in for start pressing. Now let us go through some of the attachments this heat press comes with. Okay, let us start with your plate press. You get two different plate presses. You get your smaller one and your bigger one. Let us show you how it works. You take your plate, put that inside, you turn it around and you put it inside of your heat press. You just need to adjust it up and down for it to work. So now as soon as you are finished adjusting it, you bring it back and you are ready to press on your plate. Then you get your cap press. This is your top part and this is your bottom part. Let me show you how to fixate it onto your heat press. First of all, you will have to take off your top part. You will get your special screws to work with your cap press. So let us put on the top part and we can show you how. Afterwards you put on your bottom part. Make sure it is aligned correctly with your holes. As with your plate press, you just need to make sure that your pressure nozzle is correct. then you are ready to do your pressing on your caps. Okay, so let us look at the mug press. You will get your two plastic parts that are called above and below. It doesn't matter which way you put them in. You're going to just put one on one side and one on the other side. You're going to use your shorter screws to screw them in. And the same on the other side. Okay, then you're going to bring it over to your heat press component. You're going to put the below part on your below. You're going to use the longer screws to fixate it onto your heat press. Then you go to your top piece, you just press it down a bit, bring this station over. Just going to make it go down a bit so it's easier to fixate it on. Then you're going to use your two long screws to fixate it on top. So they are ready to press. Okay, and there you saw how everything is assembled. Now all you need is your power cable to be plugged in. And in the next video, we will show you how it all works. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon, then we will catch you in the next one.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. am.co.za, achievement matters.